What's up, guys? Hope everybody's doing well and having a great day. In this video, you're going to see some exceptional video footage from up in Amsterdam of a noctilucent cloud outbreak visible from around the 52, 53 degree north latitude. Video footage shared by Frank. He's seen them now 2 nights in a row, and they are some of the best he's ever seen. Now, 2 nights in a row, electric blue clouds visible from Amsterdam. We're going to come back and take a look at that amazing footage here in just a moment. But first, I've got some photos I want to share with you guys of last night's storms that went through Iowa. You can see they're forming again today over in Ohio, Indiana, Kentucky, moving east right now as I do this video, creating high winds and power outages once again, like they saw last night in Iowa, South Dakota. This is a shelf cloud that was visible in Iowa right before the sun went down. Photos taken by Lawrence, shared by Kim. This was near Fort Dodge, Iowa. Look at the structure of that shelf cloud in the sky. Absolutely incredible. That is one photogenic sky. And here's the system that formed that very photogenic sky. Right there you saw go through Iowa. My cursor is right above Fort Dodge, Iowa. But as you can see, storms are brewing once again today, creating a multi-state power outage event. Right now, as I do this video, 53,000 customers in Kentucky, 80,000 customers in Ohio, and 15,000 customers without electricity right now as I do this video, and those are directly related to the severe weather moving through the area. There's also 15,000 customers without electricity in Louisiana, which is also experiencing some pockets of severe weather. Amazing photo here at the homepage of the website, once again taken by Lawrence near Fort Dodge, Iowa, sent in by Kim. That was from last night's storms that went through the Central Plains. Looking at the Schumann resonance, a little bit of activity in the last 24 to 36 hours. Nothing super major going on, but there is some activity being detected in the Schumann resonance. Coming over here to hailreports.com, this is the map from last night, the high winds associated with the severe weather moving through the North Central Plains, and these were just the ones that were reported. There were probably many more reports that did not go reported, at least here. I know there were several reports of hurricane force winds in South Dakota and Iowa, wind speeds in excess of 90, in some cases 99 miles per hour, associated with a strong storm system that went through the North Central Plains last night and that's starting up again today, and again is creating power outages, multi-state power outages right now as I do this video. I want to take you guys now over to Amsterdam, which is up around the 52, 53 degree north latitude. Video footage sent in by Frank from Amsterdam. He's seen now 2 nights in a row an amazing display of the rare electric blue clouds. And here's a condensed version of the video that he shared with me of this incredible noctilucent cloud outbreak. And here's how it started. It looked like a blue flame off in the distance, and that's how Frank described this as he was viewing it in person, filming these amazing clouds. There was an outbreak not only last night, but the night before. And here I pause it and zoom in on the electric blue clouds that occur up here in the mesosphere. There's multiple layers to our atmosphere. You can see the Earth right here, and there's the troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere, and exosphere. And then there's many layers to the Earth itself. So we live in the middle of many spheres. And last night, this sphere here was glowing blue. And as you're going to see here in just a few minutes, it gets even more dramatic. This went on for quite some time. You can watch the full-length video linked down below in the description box. I just kind of condensed it down a little bit for presentation purposes. Started off as this very vibrant, bright blue, and then it went to a brighter, even lighter blue, and it dominated more of the sky. Those are classic noctilucent clouds that they've been saying this year they've been more prominent than they have in the last 15 years. And this is influenced by multiple factors. Primarily, I would say the warmer air surrounding a warmer planet. The warm air is more buoyant, and it's going to rise higher up into the various layers of the atmosphere, allowing the ice crystals that you see here glowing electric blue. It'd be ice crystals and meteor smoke, allowing this to rise higher into the atmosphere, becoming more visible. And they've been more visible this year than they have in a long time. This is Frank's second night in a row of viewing these very dramatic clouds that you don't see very often, and they don't necessarily get down to the 50, 52 degree latitude all that often. However, you're going to see them much more often up there than you will, say, down here in Arizona where it's like 30, 33 degree north latitude. They are visible sometimes up in the Seattle, Washington area, British Columbia. This is at the 52 degree north latitude. And as you can see, they're getting brighter and brighter, dominating most of the horizon over there. Just an incredible view of the sky. This is a classic outbreak of noctilucent clouds, a very strong outbreak at that. This is incredible. Amazing video, once again, sent in by Frank from Amsterdam. And once again, you can find the full-length video down below in the description box. Quite remarkable indeed. That's the second night in a row Frank has observed these very rare clouds. Also in this video, I've got a brand new picture slideshow, new sky phenomena photos sent in from all around the world. Starting off down in the Villages, Florida, photos sent in by Ron and Lee of a very photogenic sky. Roxana out of Romania. Notice what looked like a heart up in the daytime sky. Ron and Kara out of Ashland, Oregon. Lenticular cloud in the sky all by itself. Hawaii, John B. noticed a very intense halo above Hawaii a few days back. Here's a close-up of that giant halo above Hawaii. Another jumbo halo, this time out of Melbourne, Kentucky. Photo sent in by Danny R. And this photo here, the sun doesn't necessarily look like it's in the middle of the halo. Kind of looks off-center, like we've seen a few of these halos look this year. Another photo here by Jay out of Congress, Arizona. This is a little video clip of some lightning as storms move through Arizona. More lightning by Champion PSR. This is in slow motion. Lightning spidering across the daytime sky. Very intense lightning at that. Here's a single bolt of lightning. Cloud-to-cloud lightning. Here's cloud to ground out of Palmetto, Florida. Photo sent in by Rich. Almost looks like it's coming in contact with that house. And these next photos were sent in by Aubrey out of Monticello, Kentucky, of some hole punch clouds in the daytime sky. Almost look like they were created by some sort of an object that went through the clouds in the daytime sky. Some of them are very colorful too. This is unedited. That's a red cloud, reddish-orange cloud in the daytime sky. Speaking of orange, Jason R. out of Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. Fiery orange sky, unedited photo, exactly the way I received it. If you guys have any photos or videos you'd like to share, you can send those to reports at MrMBB333.com. Thanks for watching, have a super day, and be safe out there.